Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am here with the practice set 5 of models. Student, here there are 50 questions and there are two options of each question. So, let's start solving the question, students. Fill in the blanks with suitable models. Number 1. I dash take this medicine every morning as it is prescribed to me. Student, here the subject is I. That's why the correct models will be have to. I have to take this medicine every morning as it is prescribed to me. Number 2. You dash not hit the dog like that. So students, should is the correct answer here. You should not hit the dog like that because it's our duty to not to be cruel for the animals. Number 3, student, she dash attend the meeting as it is urgent. Student, here urgent word is written here, so must is correct one here. She must attend the meeting as it is urgent. Number 4, student, you dash go to forest at night. So you need not. Need not is the correct answer. You need not go to the forest at night. Number 5, student, dash I ask you a riddle. So student, this is a question and here asking permission. So for asking permission, which model is used? May. So may is the correct answer. Number 6, it dash rain today. So this is what? This is possibility. So here for possibility, which model is used? May. Number 7, he prayed that he dash live long. Student, this is written in indirect speech. So for may, what is the past of may? Might. So might is the correct answer. He prayed that he might live long. Number 8, you dash pay your fees in time. Student, here must is the correct one because it's our duty to pay our fee in time. So must is correct one. Number 9, dash I come in, sir? Yes, you dash. So student, there are two options and the option is also here given two. So in first here may and in second can. Now number 10, student, if you work hard you dash win a prize. So if you work hard, there is condition, if you work hard you will win a prize. Will is correct one. Now 10 question completed, student. Question number 11, I am sure you dash pass. So student, I am sure you will pass. Will pass is the correct one. Number 12, he dash come next week or later. So this is not certain here. He dash come next week or later. So there is weak possibility. So might is correct one. Number 13, had he walked fast, he dash have caught the train. So student, here would is the correct answer. Would have caught the train. Number 14, be careful lest you dash lose the game. So lest is used here, so should is the correct answer. Number 15, she was afraid that if she asked then again they dash refuse it. So student, here again there is a possibility. She was afraid that if she asked then again they dash refuse it. So they might refuse it because the sentence is in past, that's why might is the correct one. Number 16, dash I use your computer for an hour please. So here again asking permission, so may is the correct one. Number 17, last year I dash exercise every morning. So last year, student, but not now. So used to is the correct answer. Last year I used to exercise every morning. Number 18, I dash not lift this box. It is very heavy. So it is very heavy. I dash not. So here ability is shown. So can is the correct one. I cannot lift this box. It is very heavy. Now number 19, we dash obey our teachers. Student, so we ought to and used to is the option here. So ought to is the correct one. We ought to obey our teachers. Number 20, you dash see the doctor once. So student, this is very necessary, so we must see the doctor once is the correct one. Now 20 question completed. 21. Question number 21. He dash have completed this work yesterday. So yesterday is indicated, it means past, so could is correct one. Number 22. She dash help me in trouble. So she will help me in trouble. It's a promise, so will is correct one. Now number 3. You dash go there. You dash go there. So you need not go there. There is no need to go there. So you need not go there. Number 24. How dash you to come into my room. So student, here dare not, dare. How dare you to come into my room is the correct answer. Now number 25. We dash obey our elders. So we should obey our elders. Number 26 student, dash you live long. So may you live long, because this is a wish, so for wish may is correct one. Number 27. Be careful lest you dash fail. So lest is here, so should is the correct answer. Number 28. We dash pay our debts or else we will bound to leave the house. So student, we must pay our debt. It is very necessary to pay the debts, so here must is correct one. Number 29. She worked hard so that she dash pass. So she worked hard so that she would pass. Would is correct one. Number 30. Dash God grant him long life. So again this is wish here, so may is the correct answer. So student, 30 question completed here. Now number 31. Number 31 student, we dash help you in trouble. So we will help you. This is promise here, we will help you in difficult. Number 32. The paper is easy. I dash solve all the sum. So student, here the paper is easy. Here ability is shown that I can solve all the sum. So can is the correct answer. Number 33. You dash to have good manners. So student, ought and should is given here. So ought is the correct one, because already 2 is written here. You ought to have good manners. Number 34. I dash carry this bag for you. So student, here should and can is given. So ability is shown here that I can carry this bag for you. Number 35. I am sure he dash succeed. So I am sure he will succeed. Future time is shown here. He will succeed. Number 36 student, anyone dash make mistake. So this is very common. So anyone can make mistake is the correct one. 37 student, dash I get a cup of tea for you. So this is polite request, that's why could is correct. Could I get a cup of tea for you? 38. It dash rain today. So this is probability, possibility, so may is the correct one. It may rain today. Number 39. You dash not pluck flowers. Student, so must and should is written here. So you should not pluck flowers. It's our duty to that we should not pluck flower. Number 40 student, dash I use your phone. So this is permission. So for asking permission, may is used. May I use your phone? Now 40 question completed student. Now number 41. Work hard lest you dash fail. So again lest is used here, that's why should is the correct answer. 42. Dash that I were a millionaire. So student, this type of sentence indicate wish, that's why would is the correct answer. Would that I were a millionaire. Now 43. She does not touch the snake. So student, it is very important that she should not touch the snake. So must is the correct answer. She must not touch the snake. Now number 44. He does catch the sparrow. So this is ability shown here, that's why can is the correct answer. He can catch the sparrow. Number 45. If he were a king, he dash rule the country. Student, here there is supposition here. If he were a king, he would rule the country. So for supposition, what is used here? Modal would. Number 46. She told me that she dash drive a car. So student, this is written in indirect speech. She told me that she dash drive a car. So she could drive a car. Here ability is shown and it is written in indirect speech. That's why could is the correct answer. Number 47. We dash be kind to animal. So student, we dash be kind to animal. So it's our moral duty. So ought to is the correct one. We ought to be kind to animals. Number 48. As you sow, so shall you reap. This is proverb also. As you sow, so shall you reap. Now 49 student. The doctor asked him not to drink, but he dash to do it. So student, this is indicated here that the doctor asked him not to drink, but he need to do it. He need to do it or follow it. So need is the correct answer here. Number 50 student. I dash assist her when she needs. So I shall or will is given here student. So for more determination or promise, what we use here? Will. I will assist her when she needs. So this is a type of promise here, that I will assist her when she needs. So will is the correct answer. So student, we have done here 50 questions of models. We will do next practice set also. I will come with the next practice set. Students, thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, like it, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you. Keep watching my videos.